Hello friends, I am here with the topic measurement for class 5th unit of measurement. What is unit? Unit is that word which we have to use to measure something. Here are the standard units to measure length, weight and capacity. Meter is the standard unit to measure length, gram is the standard unit to measure weight and liter is the standard unit to measure capacity. Today we will discuss how to convert one unit to another unit in an easiest way. Measurement is very important topic in mathematics. Mainly students are confused in this topic how we have to convert one unit to another unit. Before solving this, we used one trick, that is King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Look here, we measure length in meter and weight in gram, capacity in liter. Take the first letter, first alphabet, that is K from king, H from Harry, D from died, M from mother. That is the standard unit. Mother is the standard unit. And then D from didn't, C from cry, M from much. Now, if we have to use meter to measure length, then write M with all these alphabets, then it become kilometer. K stands for kilo, it's become kilometer. H stands for hectare, then it become hectometer. Then DAM is deca, it become decameter. M is the standard unit, and then DM, that is decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Similarly, in case of weight, we use gram. To this, the trick is King Harry died, grandmother didn't cry much. In this, grandmother is standard unit. Then write G with all these alphabets. It become kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Now next is to measure capacity, we used liter. For this trick is King Harry died, landlord didn't cry much. It become kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter is the standard unit, then deciliter, centiliter and milliliter. Now look, we have to understand this with the example. If we have to convert 7 meter to millimeter, look, we have to multiply 7 with 1000, then it becomes 7000 meter. Mostly students got confused. What we have to do? We have to multiply or divide. Let us understand with this table. If we move from left hand side to right hand side, then we have to multiply. If we move from right hand side to left hand side, then we have to divide. In this example, this is 7 meter to millimeter. Look here, here is meter and here is millimeter. We move from left hand side to right hand side. If we convert meter to decimeter, multiplied by 10, then decimeter to centimeter, again multiply by 10, centimeter to millimeter, again multiply by 10. Then here are 3 times 10, means 3 zeros are here, then it become 1000, right? 3 zeros with 1 to convert meter to millimeter. Then it becomes 7 multiply 1000, it is millimeter. Then it becomes 7000. Firstly, we have to solve type 1, that is length. In this video, I'll explain type 1, standard unit to measure length, how we have to convert these units. Second example is 1905 hectometer to millimeter. How we have to convert? Let us understand with the help of and table again. Where is hectometer? Here is hectometer. We have to convert hectometer to meter. Look here, we move from left hand side to right hand side, from hectometer to meter. What we have to do? Students got confused. What we have to do? Multiply or divide. Firstly, from this table, let us understand. If we move from left to right, we have to multiply. Now it should be clear to all. We have to multiply. Now the question is that why, which number we have to multiply? Now look here, if we have to convert hectometer to decameter, multiply by 10. Decameter to meter, then multiply by 10. Here are two tens, then 10 multiplied 10 becomes 100. 10 multiplied 10 becomes 100. Therefore, to convert hectometer to meter, we have to multiply it with the 10. Then it become 1,90,500 meter. Now, one more example is here. We have to convert 426 centimeter to meter. Look, what is this? 426 centimeter to meter. Here, where is centimeter? Centimeter is here and meter is here. We have to convert centimeter to meter. Now, we have to move from right hand side to left hand side. What we have to do? Firstly, what we have to do? If we move from right hand side to left hand side, then we have to divide. Now the question is, by which number we have to divide? If we convert centimeter to decimeter, divide by 10, then decimeter to meter, again divide by 10. We convert centimeter to meter. Here are two tens. 10 multiplied 10, it become 100. It means we have to divide it by 100. Look here, 426 divided by 100. Then we have to use unit meter because we have to divide and then convert. Now no need to divide, no need to solve. If here are two zeros with 1, it is easy to divide. We have to put the decimal after two digits starting from right hand side. First digit is 6, second digit is 2. Then put decimal here. It becomes 4.26 meter. Now students, this is the type 1. In my next video, I'll share you with the type 2, that is gram, to measure weight. I hope you all like this video. Thanks.